Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, are you trying to figure out how to format your data table? Then don't worry. Meet AutoFormat. Using AutoFormat, you can easily format your data table within seconds. So, AutoFormat is not a default option in the Excel ribbon. You will not find AutoFormat in the Excel ribbon. So you need to enable AutoFormat. To enable AutoFormat, what you need to do is you need to right click on the ribbon, then go to Customize Ribbon, and in the Customize Ribbon option, go to the Quick Access toolbar and select All Commands. In the All Commands section, you need to select the AutoFormat option. So here is AutoFormat option, and then click on Add, and then click on OK. So as I have already added, I'm not adding it again. So once you added that AutoFormat, you can see the icon here. This is AutoFormat icon, right? Now select the data for which you want to create the data format, and then click on AutoFormat option. And here you can see Excel has different data format templates which you can choose from here. For example, I'm choosing this one and I'm clicking on OK. Now you can see the data format has been changed, right? My table format has completely changed. Now if you don't want this format and if you want another format, then you can simply select any of this. So now I'm selecting this one and I'm clicking on OK. Now you can see my data has been formatted to the to whatever the style which I have selected, right? So now you can use the auto format option in Excel.